I'm the figure, something that made me. Cause you tell me why.
In tonight. And this is where it gets weird because I think they go, well, the Black Crows will get in, theoretically. You know?
They'll definitely be in.
Is Oasis gonna be in before the Black Crows?
Shouldn't be.
No.
So how many they take? Something that Tom wore, and Tom gave me a thumbs up, like, good job.
Oh, okay.
So I think we're cool. I'm not sure.
Because you don't want to get into a grunting war with Tom.
No.
You will
I
lose.
saw how that went with the last guy.
Oh. Very rainy frontier.
Soon. But if you've got your eye on something over there, and if you're thinking to yourself, well, Alan, why do I need another teether to see a 4 feet tall frog walking around on his hind legs? I would love that.
I wouldn't.
Every single one of these stories, right? When I kind of deride people who believe in this stuff, it's just because I so want it to be true. I so want it to be true.